Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Mac is supported and has free space. That avoids half installs. Next, make a full-time machine backup or create a bootable clone, then verify it. Once done, plug into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network so the installer downloads reliably. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID so iCloud and settings migrate. Now open System Settings and select Software Update to start downloading Mac OS Sonoma. Don't interrupt the download. You watch the installer finish downloading. This can take a while depending on speed. When prompted, agree to terms and follow on-screen instructions. The Mac will schedule restarts and run pre-install checks, which is normal. Make sure the Mac stays awake and plugged in. Using Ethernet or a strong Wi-Fi reduces corruption risk. While installing, background apps should be closed. This speeds up the process and avoids permission conflicts. If asked, enter your password to authorize system changes and wait for the first reboot. You'll complete the Setup Assistant after the final reboot. Sign in, enable iCloud, and review privacy prompts so apps run correctly. Next, check system settings for any supplemental updates and update apps that show compatibility warnings. This prevents crashes. If the Mac doesn't boot or the installer fails, try booting into safe mode to run diagnostics or use recovery to reinstall Mac OS. As a last resort, restore from your verified Time Machine backup to return to a stable state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.